Good morning, everybody. Today there are some new things, so I thought I'd go over them with you and give you a better chance to ask some questions if you have any. So today it starts an advisory. It's Molly's birthday. Please make sure you share today and wish Molly the happiest birthday ever. In science, we're going to revisit cycles this week, starting with the water cycle. There's a movie to rewatch and a game to play today. The water cycle game here in number 2, if you click on the link, is it's right here, is a board game, a kind of a digital board game of sorts. And you can play one player against a computer, or you can play with someone you're sitting next to in your home. And the idea here is that there's a red team and a blue team, and you're each trying to move your pieces, these little pieces on the game board here, red and blue ones. Those are water pieces, and you're trying to move your water around this game board to the certain area you need to move it to. So I show it to you because there are some rules, and you'll need to learn them, of course. And so the Brain Pop gives you a tutorial. Okay, so the game starts like this, and I'm going to go ahead and skip through this little animation at the beginning to show you this. At the top, it says first time playing. Yes, it is. Play the tutorial. It's going to take you a few extra minutes, but it is the best way to learn the rules. Okay, the game is not too complicated once you learn the rules, but you need to learn them first, otherwise it won't make sense. But I've done the tutorial, and it's great. Okay, so use this tutorial to learn how to play the game. Hopefully a little later on today, I am going to be making another tutorial with Emerson, and I'll share that out when I get to it. So if you want to wait a couple hours to do this, there'll be a second tutorial as well. But for now, use this one if you'd like to not wait that long. Okay, back to our day. In math, 2 different things going on. So if you are working on pre-algebra in enrichment work, Khan Academy is for you. But if not, if you're working on decimals, we kind of ran out of decimal work in Khan, so I had to create something. And so I created this form, which kind of acts like a digital worksheet almost. So here at the top, you'll see the decimal arithmetic video for Math Antics, and the directions say watch the video, begin at the 340 mark, and watch until the 752 mark, because that's the part of the video that covers multiplying decimals. And that's all you need to watch. And then I provide an example for you here on what Rob teaches and what we've learned together in class 2 weeks ago. And then there are problems to solve, 7 of them, I believe. Let's see, 6 problems to solve. So you'll work on paper, and you'll type your answer in here below each problem. And then at the very end, the last box, which is mandatory, see the little red star there? It means you have to do this box to submit the form. Otherwise, I don't get it, is you have to email me a picture of all your work. And then you click on that, and then you hit submit once you've emailed me the picture of your work, okay? And that's going to be your work today, multiplying decimal practice. So 2 groups of workers today, multiplying decimals in the form, pre-algebra and Khan Academy. Reading is the same as it always has been. In writing, we're going to make sure we're watching these writing lessons. I got a new lesson up called Putting It All Together. So this week, we're going to take the 4 lessons from last week, and each day, incorporate them into studying a single haiku. So we can become more and more familiar with quality haiku and hopefully improve our writing as we write our sit spot journals and use haiku in those journals. And then social studies is brand new as well. Another choice board. This one's from Miss Pagano. It's called the Coronavirus Kindness Challenge. And it's just a whole bunch, if you scroll down here, a whole bunch of activities. Let's see, it's 5 by 4, 20, 40, 60 different activities. They're all acts of kindness to do while inside with your family or during this time. And so I'd like you to choose one per day for the rest of this week. All right, and like last week, take a picture, if you can, of what you've done. If you can't, that's okay. Let me know what you did. But that is social studies for this week, the kindness challenge. It's very straightforward. Pick a kindness act and do it. Okay, that is it. Let me know if I can help. And yeah, we'll talk soon. Have a great day, everybody.